We'll guide you through how to have a weird conversation with ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatopenai.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. After you're logged in, you'll see the chat interface where you can start typing your messages. To initiate a weird conversation, try starting with an unusual or unexpected statement or question. For example, you might say, imagine if clouds were made of cotton candy, what flavor would rain be? This kind of prompt encourages ChatGPT to respond creatively. You can also introduce bizarre scenarios or hypothetical questions, like what if humans had to communicate through dance moves only? Remember, the key to maintaining a weird conversation is to keep pushing the boundaries of normal topics. Don't hesitate to follow up with even stranger questions or to build on the AI's responses with more outlandish ideas. You can also use role-playing techniques, pretend ChatGPT is an alien from another planet, and ask it about its alien culture and customs. The goal is to keep the conversation light, fun, and out of the ordinary, which often leads to amusing and unexpected interactions. If ChatGPT responds in a way that's too normal, you can nudge it back on track by introducing a new quirky element or asking it to provide a response from a different perspective, like a fictional character or a historical figure. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.